it's also the first time I'm drinking a bubbly. This is not a paid advertisement.
No, it's not, right?
However, bubbly, if you're listening, I accept. So our first outing is supposed to be in 2 weeks on April 2nd. There's still snow on the ground. We'll see how it's going to look in 2 weeks. It's supposed to be a really warm week this week. Maybe most of it will melt.
Yeah, we're supposed to get like 12 Celsius.
Yeah, so
height,
it's supposed to be positive double digits in Celsius.
So we're on the road, and we should get there in about 30 half hour. Our friend of ours, parents has a big land in Ontario, so we're able to park it over the winter.
I think we explained that last time.
Yeah, we did. I don't know if we put it online or not. Just to sum up. Anyway, it's been there, and we didn't see her the whole. Like
It's
we
a
thought
she?
it's a she. I don't know. Do you think it's a she? We live in her belly, so I don't know.
We live in her bed.
I don't want to be
Oh,
sexist
so
or anything.
creepy.
I know, but still, it is what it is.
Oh no.
We're on our way to go get the road trip, and half hour to go. Our friends.
Maybe you should also explain why we call her the road trip.
The road. Yeah,
One more time?
No, it wasn't like Simone's video.
I know.
You
For
didn't?
reference, check out our Leximo video as to why we call our rig road trip.
Yes. So we were quite eager to see her, and a bit nervous at the time because it was our first winterization with the road trip, and can't wait to see if it's all broken or okay. Because I decided to go another route as far as winterizing the RV instead of putting antifreeze in the piping. I decided to blow the whole thing out. So I have a compressor at home, so I bought the fitting to put in and just put air throughout the whole RV and empty everything. I think for the first time it was a good thing to do.
I'm sure you did it, maybe.
Because it forced me to go through all the pipes, through all the fittings, and through everything to do some sort of an inspection, I think, in the end. And it made me realize that our
Did you see that solar panel? That's
I know.
nuts.
It's crazy. There's several around here.
That's huge.
Yeah.
Wow.
Squirrel. And
Sorry.
it made me realize that our boiler, or 6-gallon
Water
boiler,
heater.
water heater, the rod inside was corroded as I did the whole emptying. So
I'm sorry, you said the rod inside.
the rod, yes.
I know it might not show, but we're super excited to pick her up. A little anxious, but super excited. We can't wait to see her.
Kate's more nervous than I am, I think.
I am nervous, but I'm not nervous for the same reasons as you. I'm more nervous of getting her out and bringing her home. Why? Because there's still snow on the ground. I'm still afraid that there's gonna be. Well, first of all, let's go from the beginning. My ADD is kicking in like 100 miles an hour.
Sorry for that.
I'm nervous. Sorry, there's like a whole field of solar panels, and I'm freaking out right now. I find it so cool. So yeah, where was I? Taking her out. She's like in a field with no pavement, so I'm just afraid that we're gonna get stuck, or she's gonna get stuck, and that's what I'm worried about, getting her out. And then bringing her home is that, like I said, there's still snow on the ground, so we're not allowed to have anything that's not 6 feet away from the edge of the driveway.
Yeah.
Because if there's a snowstorm and the plow needs to pass, they can break the equipment that's like at the edge of the driveway, right? So
It's a bit of a gamble, though.
it's a little bit of a gamble. So I'm afraid that there's going to be like one last snowstorm that hits us somewhere in April, and we're going to get a nice ticket or a broken
Anyway,
hitch.
April 1st we're allowed to put it in anyway.
Are we?
Yes.
Okay.
It starts April 1st, so it's more from now to the beginning of the month. Which next week is we have 5
That
days
kind of makes
of
me
double
feel
digit.
better though.
Yeah, we have 5 days of double digit weather.
Yeah, I think
So
we're gonna be good.
we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be and it's we've been lucky for this winter. So
This has been a nice winter, I would say. There's been things I've been saying this winter that I'm like, I cannot believe I'm saying these things.
yeah.
I'm like a changed human being.
Yes. Here we are. Look at this little piece of trailer. Very nice. I think all looks good from here. I went inside quickly to see if there was any damage. It didn't move, it didn't tilt. The only thing is we lost the only thing is that we lost the covering. I bought a covering to protect the AC on top, and I think the wind got the best of it. So far so good. And my friend is making us a little trail with his tractor to try to take it out.
It's a tractor from the 1940s.
Wow, look at that thing. The tractor's from the 40s, but he's not.
In the way. Gosh, my God. It's just never good enough. Why are we all so full? But where are you going? Yeah. Hold this, do that, move away. No, you're in this one. He knows. Gave him a trail? I know. Jerk! He's fine. He knows what he's doing. No, I trust him 110%.
In the track.
In the track on track.
Yeah. With the truck.
Oh, this is your favorite part.
Yeah.
Hooking up the trailer.
Zoom into.
This is like where divorce happens. Stop! So you don't really see with your camera.
I see the alignment, but depth is very difficult.
What's wrong, baby? You seem concerned.
No, I'm not concerned. It's just that, you know. No, I have trouble. I need another pair of hands.
That's my kind of joke.
Hold too tight.
That's my kind of joke. You can't steal those.
Okay.
You know what that means.
So,
Let's go. Go.
let's go.
You're ready.
I'm ready.
Yep.
So I think what's important is to look for tilting. So
For what?
tilting, so it doesn't sway from left to right.
Do you prefer I walk behind you or on the side of you?
Comme tu veux.
Oh, shit, it's frozen. Babe, you're going right in the snow.
Yeah, but comme pas le choix. Elle va y aller un petit peu.
Back up.
No.
Okay, you sure don't want to back up?
No. It's soft snow. It should be fine.
Okay.
Should be fine.
All right.
Need to watch for the corner of the house.
You're good on the corner.
Yeah, but
Maybe just take wider turns. You're good. You're good.
c'est juste faut que je fasse un petit wider turn parce que c'est long là.
Ouais,
Je veux pas accrocher la maison. Mais attends, je suis quand même bien pris là, tu sais, je suis pesant, fait que j'y glisse pas.
Pire aller, je te tirais avec le tracteur.
Oh, c'est ça je pensais aussi là. Ok, on y va. Ok, we're moving forward.
Yep. You're good. You're good.
Ah,
That was cute.
J'ai quasiment écrasé Paul.
No. Good. This would have been a lake here if it would have been here next week.
Ouais, la semaine passée, la semaine prochaine, ça aurait été un peu plus tough, I would say.
Good.
You are good.
Go,
You're going in the snow with the trailer
It's
though.
fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Go.
Okay, keep going. Oof, it's like, keep going. Up and short. It was a bit like that. It was a bit like that.
Am I out?
Yeah, you're out.
Perfect.
Woohoo! No. Wait for me.
Ciao, baby, I'm going to Florida. We did it.
So, if you can probably see, she's hooked up, and we're starting our trek home. Everything went relatively well,
Surprisingly.
pretty well actually.
It's been a challenge with the snow. And,
Yeah. So I think the only thing really is that we seem to have lost the AC
Hood, the cover.
cover. So we'll have to check the state of the air conditioning. So it's our first hookup this year, right? So we're kind of finding our
sea legs.
sea legs. Maybe it pulls a little bit in.
Yeah, so it's normal. There's like 7,000 pounds hooked up to the truck. So I think my only concern is just that I think the brake system is a bit not strong enough. I'm gonna have to readjust that.
You know, we should probably turn off the music because
Yeah, we're gonna get
That's right.
barred by YouTube.
that's right. Because that's happened before.
Yeah, that happened before. Yeah, so much. Oh my god.
We had some background music in the video, and the video got shut down.
And
because of
Pitbull didn't like it. Not to say his name. We're heading to have a little meal, a little something.
a little lunch because it's
Yep.
1:44 and we had
And
breakfast at around
It's dying. Right now.
8:39. So Jack is dying. He's very dramatic.
Commercial drive-through. How pathetic is this? Check, le monde, ils vont rire de nous autres comme des... Come on! Oh my
So-
God. Oh, that
Okay,
is
do you want to explain what's going on?
COVID is what's going on. So we're not allowed to go in the restaurant to order, and I guess we're old people and we don't have the app, so we can't order mobile.
Well, we can, but I don't want to download it and go through all that.
No, but she said that's only drive-through, not even
And
mobile.
no, she said it's written mobile or drive.
Okay.
So
Anyway,
we're
this is
doing a
easier.
walkthrough.
So we're actually in a drive-through?
Yeah.
And I think we're being filmed.
Là, je choisissais que je voulais, là, que ça prenne pas trop de temps.
Put your mask so that they don't recognize you. I am.
Aren't you embarrassed?
aren't you embarrassed? That's plenty of fun. Oh my god. So we keep our social distancing, so you need to
Yeah.
move away.
What?
It's not the same
I'm
bubble.
just gonna go look at the menu.
Yeah, go in front of people. Ça, c'est une porte d'armoire pour fermer.
J'ai pas compris la joke.
Our first parking of the season. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Yeah, Ulan's gonna connect to the truck. No, it's not connected. Well, I don't know why it's not coming in. Hello? You there? Oh. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Come on in.
Je trouve le bonheur, hein?
Maybe a bit, yeah.
Why? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Ok, je sais pas pourquoi le radio a comme...
Okay. Where are you going?
Ben, I'm gonna reculer un petit peu.
Don't kill the people.
Yeah. The radio, like, stopped. La pancarte du déneigement, tu peux-tu l'enlever?
Yeah. Just don't run me over. Non, c'est gelé dedans, je pense.
C'est gelé.
Mais ça doit pas s'enlever. Droite, plus à droite.
Vers toi, c'est ça?
Oui, à droite vers moi.
Ok.
Plus. Ouais, c'est ça. Fait que le recul. Recule encore. Recule. Il te reste encore. Ok, stop. Ok, c'est beau. I don't know why I'm still talking.
It's perfect, baby. Good job.